It's a milestone morning at AquaGuard. 25 years locally owned and operated. That's over 9,000 sunrises and 40,000 customers, each installed on a day like this, one job at a time. 25 years is a long time. Many companies have come and gone over the years, and their poor quality and warranties go with them. Others stand the test of time and are still there many years down the road when their customers really need them.
At AquaGuard, we come to work each day with a common purpose: to provide peace of mind to our customers by helping them protect their largest investment, their homes. And each one of us here today knows that our own job has purpose that adds to the overall customer experience. Remember, guys, with us, everything matters, from that first phone call to that final job site inspection.
You know, I've always said that we come to work each day building our reputation, never relying on it. Long after other companies stop returning phone calls, our customers know that AquaGuard will be there for them now or another 25 years down the road. That's 9,000 more sunrises just like this one.